Hey guys, RLC321 coming back again with another build video. This time is update number 2 for the original series Enterprise kit by Revell 1/600 scale. Now, in Voyager we were using to light block. We were using primer, black spray, then silver, or what was I using? Aluminium by Vallejo, and it worked out pretty well. Now, a lot of other people swear blind about using like a white paint. So what I'm going to do with this one to test it out, see which one's better, because once this is done we can compare the two, is I'm going to use white paint to light block this. So obviously just going to do the inside of the top saucer section, because as it stands at the moment, if I get my little LED torch here, you can see that the light at the moment shines through. Okay, which obviously we don't want light to show through. No. So I'm going to turn my compressor on, and I'm going to turn my compressor's already on. I'm going to turn my other thing on. So hopefully I'm going to have I've moved the microphone a lot closer to my mouth now. So yeah, hopefully you'll hear me a bit better over everything. So we got my black. We got my gloss white from Wilco's. I suppose I could have used any one, but that's the only white I got. And my primer. There we go. So I have fully cleaned my airbrushes, and there was some stuck paint inside it, so I'm hoping put my teeth back in, hoping that now it will spray a lot better, but I guess we'll soon find out, won't we? Right, so let's get that up and over there, and a little bit in there, and nope, you can't see it, so let's bring up the camera. Up we go, yeah, up we go. There we go. Right, so let's get some primer onto this. Oh wow, that's better. That's better already. Probably shouldn't be using a number 2 needle on this, but I couldn't be bothered to change it. There we go. Now, the thing that I couldn't remember what the name of is an ultrasonic cleaner. I couldn't remember what that name was the other on the last previous video. I've remembered what the name is now. It's an ultrasonic cleaner. Right, now we need to make sure we get those as well around the edges. So there. That has now been primed. So let me just put this over here, because we're still not done. I'm just going to let this dry off for a little bit, and then we get to put on the black primer. So when this is dry, I will bring you guys back in a minute. Okay, right, so we are now back. Next we're going to use the black. Now this is horrible stuff. It stinks to high heaven. Give it a good old shake. If you're giving it a good old shake, make sure you use your strongest hand. You men know what I'm talking about. I'm going to say nothing more. I'm hoping my voice is coming out a lot better now compared to the last video when I had these on. Right, so here we go. That's nasties. We don't want nasties on there. Right. Make sure I got everything, and I think I have. So now we let that sit and dry. And again, I'll bring you back when it's dry. Now I'm bringing you back now while I'm waiting for this dry. I want to make it clear right now, for health and safety reasons, even with one of these spray booms, you should not really spray this in the house. No, you should not. You should always spray it outside. I've got a webcam, that's how I'm recording this. I can't spray this outside and video it at the same time. So I'm having to use this. So please, if you do spray it inside, make sure you're in a well ventilated area, you are using one of these, and you're wearing a mask. I don't have one. Which you should, okay? Always wear a mask. This is a must for health and safety. Can't stress that enough. Okay. Right, so let me check, see if this is dry yet. No, it's not dry yet. It's still tacky to the touch, so I don't want to put the white on just yet. Just in case some of you are wondering, I am still doing Voyager. I've just got sanding. I'm still sanding it, doing all the bits and pieces that I'm doing. It's just pointless seeing that on camera. It just takes ages to sand all the bits and pieces that I need to. So it's pointless showing you guys all of the sanding. In the meantime, I also want to show stuff on video on YouTube of what I am doing. So that's why I'm doing the War of the Worlds, and I'm doing the original series. Now with this original series, the lighting, I was gonna go and buy a lighting kit for it. But then I thought, why should I do that? So this is the plan of what I'm going to try and do. Emphasis on the word try. I've got an LED ribbon now that I bought the other day. I've got like heat shrink as well, so I need that. I ran out of the other stuff when I was doing Voyager, so I couldn't do that properly. So I bought some LED ribbon to light the inside areas here, and the main, the secondary hull and everything. I've already showed you what the LED tape I'm going to be using for the nacelles. I'm going to make sure it's just the blue and the red that are connected up, and the power, so I'll get a nice purple glow in the nacelles. Obviously I need to buy some red LEDs, and what I want to get as well is some for the impulse engines. Okay, I want to get I think about 4 flickering orange LEDs and 4 flickering red LEDs. Paint the clear parts Tamiya clear orange. Put those LEDs inside there, so you got orange, red, orange, red, orange, red, orange, red. So you got 8 in 1. And I'm kind of hoping, right, that's going to simulate a flickering effect of it kind of moving, even though it's not. I'm hoping the flickering effects with all inside there is I'm going to stagger them. I'm not going to just have them all in round in one thing, but stagger them in different areas as well. And I think that will give a fairly nice effect of the impulse, not the impulse, the Broussard collector. That's what it's called, the Broussard collector coming in. Also, I'm going to get some red LEDs that are again flickering for the impulse engine as well. For the flashing and strobe lights, I am not going to be using flashing LEDs anymore like I did in the Voyager, because that doesn't work, because they're not timed right, they're constantly going out of time. So what I'm decided to do, I've been researching on the internet, looking it up, seeing how to do it, and I'm thinking of building my own flashing board with one of the train set flashing board things. For you get model train sets where you can get the signal that's flashing on and off. Okay, I'm going to get one of those because I believe they have a timer, an adjuster, so you can adjust how much one flash is compared to the other. So I might get 2 of those, have one for the slower flash, like the green and the red and everything like that, and then for the strobes, adjust it so it's a little bit faster than those for the strobe effects. That's the plan. Whether it comes off or not, I have no idea. So this is now should be dry enough to attach, look, to spray on our white. Now I'm using gloss white because I'm thinking that gloss white is going to be more shinier. Sorry, that was right by the camera. Right, not the camera, the microphone. Right, so here we go with the gloss, the white. Got a little bit of a drip down here. I don't want drip, so I'm just going to use this to soak it up just a little bit. Alright, there we go. That looks good to me. So that's now with the gloss white. So once that's dry, I will then test it out again with the LED light, and see how well it's blocked the light. Actually, we should be able to test it now, shouldn't we? Right, you can see the LED light there. But whereas before you could see it, and just so you know that it is there, you see, you now can no longer see it. But the trick is the gloss white gonna be good enough to reflect the light all the way around it? That's one of the things we're gonna find out once we do all the lighting. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna say thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna continue light blocking the rest of this stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video. You take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.